I'm in the process of updating this kitchen, and one of the first things I did was to change the wall color to dark grayish blue. And I love this new wall color so much that I didn't want to cover it up by installing backsplash tiles. But I still needed to at least protect the wall right behind the sink. I wanted to cover it with a sheet of stainless steel, and the standard sizes that they came in required me to cut it to size, which I couldn't do DIY. So I decided to try out these stainless steel peel and stick tiles. I bought a box of 10 sheets for around $45 from Amazon, but only used 2.5 sheets. I could have put more tiles on the wall, but I didn't want to overdo it. Let me know if you think I should have covered more of the wall with these tiles. Each tile is actually a mosaic of small pieces, so I can cut the tile to the size I needed. Here's a close-up that shows a thin layer of steel. Well, the seller calls it stainless steel, but it's actually aluminum, over a thin layer of black foam over a sheet of similar material as double-sided foam tape. Now I'm just peeling off the protective clear plastic film off the top of the tile. I needed to cut this third tile to be smaller, and I had a very difficult time trying to cut it with a razor blade because I couldn't get the blade to slide in between the steel squares. And even if I managed to get it in, I couldn't move the blade down because there was no space in between the steel squares. Then I realized, I should take the plastic film off. With the plastic film off, I could bend the tile to create a gap between the small steel squares, and cutting the tile was like cutting butter in comparison to before. I really like the way this looks. Later, I'll apply a bead of silicone caulk at the bottom where the backsplash meets the countertop. And that's it.